Hello dear students. In this video we are going to discuss about reflective and rotational symmetry. Firstly, let's discuss what is symmetry. Symmetry means when an object has two or more equal sides when split in half or in smaller pieces. That parts are mirror image of each other, or you can say that they are congruent, means that part have same shape and same size. Symmetry can be seen in animals, plants and objects around us. Mainly we have three types of symmetry, that is translation, reflection and rotational symmetry. Let's discuss them one by one. First is translation symmetry. In geometry, translation means moving a shape without rotating or flipping it. Look at this pattern. It is an example of translational symmetry. So, translation symmetry is a repeating pattern of identical elements that are proportionally spaced out along a line. Next is reflection symmetry. A shape has reflection symmetry if there is at least one line which split the shape in exactly half so that one side is the mirror image of other, and that line is known as line of symmetry. It is the most common type of symmetry. It is also known as mirror symmetry. A shape has line symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of the other. It means when the shape is folded over the line, the two pieces are exactly same. It is found in nature. You can see butterfly is the good example of line of symmetry. Mainly we have two types of line symmetry, that is vertical line symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. Let's discuss them. Vertical line of symmetry means if the line is vertical, it is called vertical line of symmetry. If we fold a figure along vertical line, then that figure has vertical line of symmetry. On the other hand, if the line is horizontal, then we can say that that figure has horizontal line of symmetry. But some figures have both vertical as well as horizontal line of symmetry. You can see here square. In this figure, square has both vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. Apart from this, we have one more type of line of symmetry, that is diagonal line of symmetry. In some figures, after folding along its diagonal, we will get again a symmetrical figure. So we can say that that figures has diagonal line of symmetry. You can see here in square. If we fold square along its diagonal, again we will get a symmetrical figure. So we can say that a square is symmetrical about a slanting line or diagonal line through the middle. With the help of this example, we come to know that in regular polygons, number of line of symmetry is always equal to number of sides. You can see here in equilateral triangle there are 3 line of symmetry. In regular pentagon we have 5 line of symmetry. In regular hexagon we have 6 line of symmetry. In the same way, some English alphabets also have both vertical as well as horizontal line of symmetry. But some do not have any line of symmetry. That alphabets are known as asymmetrical alphabet. So we can say that shapes that do not exhibit symmetry at all, they are called asymmetrical shapes. Next is rotational symmetry. An image has rotational symmetry if there is a certain point around which the object is turned at a certain number of degree and the object still look the same. That is, it matches itself a number of times while it is being rotated. Since this triangle will matches itself 3 times as it is rotated, it is said to have rotational symmetry of order 3. The triangle looks exactly the same if it rotated through the angle of 180 degree and 360 degree. Whereas a square looks exactly same if it rotated through the angles of 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. So it is said to have rotational symmetry of order 4. We have some more examples of order of symmetry here. Look in this figure. Word symmetry has order of rotation 2 and star has order of rotation 5. Similarly, if we rotate this paper fan at 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree, it looks exactly same. So it has rotational symmetry of order 4. When the figure is turned about a fixed point, it is called rotation. It can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. The fixed point about which figure is rotated is called center of rotation. It may or may not be the center of figure. The angle of turning during rotation is called angle of rotation. A quarter turns means 90 degree, a half turns means 180 degree, a full turn means 360 degree. Every object will have a rotational symmetry of order 1. We have formula for calculating order of rotation, that is 360 upon x degree, where x is the smallest angle by which a figure is rotated. Some shapes have only line of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 1, while some have only rotational symmetry and some have both line of symmetry and rotational symmetry. Look here, letter S has rotational symmetry of order 2 but it don't have line of symmetry. Similarly, letter Z and figure parallelogram has only rotational symmetry. I hope you understand it well. Thank you.